G'day guys, and welcome to the channel. I had a little rush of blood to the head, and I bought one of these. Yep, it's a Honda Monkey, and it's pretty bad actually. The more I look at it, it's the worse it gets. But it's going in for full restoration. Literally held together by wire, no side cover. A lot of things are bad. There's no rust as far as like catastrophic holes. Fuel tank's pretty shagged. Seat's bad, everything's bad. Engine's good, it's not seized. So, over the coming months, this will be, when it's finished, absolutely brand new. And I'm hoping I can make a profit on it. My other bike is going up for sale shortly, and yeah, we'll go from there. This thing, going really well, and this Saturday is going to be test and tune. It's going to be fine for the first time forever. So hopefully we can get a 1210, 1220 out of it. See how we go. Car's going really well. The other tune is on its way, so that's a good thing. So there you go. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and this Saturday, another video. See if we can get some decent times out of this thing, and yeah, see you soon.